U.S. stocks are tumbling for the second day. The Dow is already down 1,000 points after dropping almost 1,700 points.
We are currently living in one of the most volatile recessions in history.
Mr. President, you mentioned the ups and downs in the stock market. You said it'll go up, it'll go down.
There are uncertainties, there are risks, but with all that comes opportunities. And this can be a golden opportunity if you know how to use and leverage the right tools to set yourself up for financial success. So in this video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 brokerage apps for beginners so you can invest with confidence and come out on top when the storm passes. I'm not gonna waste your time, we're gonna dive right into it. All these brokerages I've personally used myself. So coming in at number 5, we have Fidelity. So Fidelity is one of the biggest, most trusted and reputable names in the financial industry. They have over $4.5 trillion in assets. I actually opened my first IRA account with Fidelity while I was working part-time in high school. And why I think it's so great for beginners is because it has 0 commission. It has a huge library of webinars and educational tools for when you're first getting started that you can learn from. And it has excellent customer service and most importantly, no minimum account balances. If you hate budgeting, savings, tracking your expenses, then Acorns is definitely the app for you. For example, you spend $4.25 on a coffee at Starbucks. Acorn will automatically round that up to $5 and invest the 75 cents difference. It comes with pre-built portfolios adjusted based on your risk tolerance, and it also offers IRA or retirement accounts just like Fidelity. Another interesting thing about Acorn is that it comes with a small debit card, which will allow you to make purchases and help you round up automatically to invest. Now, this debit card, just like any other debit card, but it has unique cashback partners that maybe some debit card institutions do not have. Now, there's just a couple of catches when it comes to Acorn that I personally dislike. First of all, it charges a $3 personal account monthly maintenance fee, and that scales up to $5 if you're on a family plan. That means even with $100 invested, you're paying a $3 to $5 monthly maintenance fee every single month, which is almost the equivalent of your debit card or checking account at a big bank, which I think is very, very disproportionate if you're investing with this small amounts. For comparison, most robo-advisors charge a small percentage fee of 0.025%, which is not a flat dollar fee, which maybe it can scale better if you're investing a small amount. Now, another thing I don't like about Acorn is that its lack of control over investments. Acorn builds a portfolio with pre-select ETFs based on your risk tolerance. And the bad thing is you can't choose these ETFs. They are automatically pre-selected for you. You also can't adjust the asset allocation beyond the automated model, which is why I place Acorns at number 4. Now, coming in at number 3, we have Charles Schwab. When it comes to wealth management and brokerages, Charles Schwab is one of the OGs. But in recent years, they adapted for more younger and beginner investors. So why does Charles Schwab earn the spot? Because you can purchase fractional shares of the top S&P 500 companies with as little as $5, similar to Fidelity. You can get free access to 4,000 no transaction fee mutual funds. You can get access to a full suite of services such as IRAs, college savings account, robo-advisors, and retirement plans. They also have in-person branches throughout the United States, which means for those of you who aren't tech savvy, you can get better customer service and support in person. It also has great educational content and planning calculators, which can help you plan your growth on your investments. Now, a major downside about Charles Schwab and a lot of other these traditional brokerages and apps like Fidelity is that you can't access cryptocurrencies, which I think is a huge no-no for me because I want to get on board with the new stuff. Because statistically, it's shown that if you don't invest 10% of your assets into cryptocurrency, you're missing out on the potential growth. Which is why we have the next platform, Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is the most popular trading platform on the App Store. It offers commission-free trading, a very easy-eyeing user interface, and also access to cryptocurrencies unlike these other traditional brokerages and platforms. No account minimums. An instant deposit of up to $1,000 that you can use instantly to invest into ETF stocks or cryptocurrencies. and most importantly, if you use my link down in the description below, you can get a free stock when you sign up. Robinhood is actually the first app I started using when I just started to invest. Now, if you want to take it one step further, you can purchase Robinhood Gold, and for $5 per month, you can get access of up to 4% APY on your uninvested cash, which is a higher interest rate than most of these big banks offer. And along with that, you can also get bigger instant deposits, level 2 market data from the NASDAQ, and up to 3% IRA contribution match from your eligible IRA contributions. However, what's really selling it is the 3% IRA contribution match, which is a huge benefit if you want to max out your IRA contributions each and every year. However, this next brokerage even puts that out of the dirt. So onto the number one platform, Webull. Guys, I love Webull so much. I've been using it since I was 19 years old. Now, Webull, in my opinion, is the number one overall app for learning, investing, and growing. However, it does have a more advanced user interface than Robinhood. Robinhood is designed for the beginners of trading. Webull is designed for the more advanced beginners of trading. With $0 commission fees on stocks, ETFs, advanced charting tools, analyst rating, and news all in the app. It also has a notable tool called paper trading, which is a simulation trading tool that can allow you to trade options, stocks, risk-free. I believe this is a perfect tool for beginners in case they want to get started on the basic of stock trading or basic option calls. It also has extended trading hours from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. in case you don't live in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, or if you want to trade past or before the market begins. Now, if you want to take it one step further, you can also purchase Webull Premium, which is the equivalent of Robinhood Gold. Personally, I signed up for Webull Premium on the waitlist and I got a 2 months free offer. Shout out to Webull. But I gotta say, Webull Premium is one of the best subscription features out there. For the small price of $4 a month or $40 annually compared to Robinhood's $5 a month, you can get access of up to 4.1% APY on your uninvested cash, level 2 NASDAQ trading data, a 3% match on your IRA transfer if you decide to transfer your IRA and assets into Webull, and on top of that, a 3.5% IRA contribution match compared to Robinhood's 3% match for their Gold program. With all this combined, Webull is the best platform if you want to scale from beginner to intermediate. It also has the best features of all the programs and platforms we talked about earlier in the video, which is why I have Webull at number one. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, feel free to use my link in the description below, or if you use any of the links from other financial YouTubers, you can get up to 100 free fractional shares of stocks. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're just looking to get started with investing with just a few dollars, dive deep into chart tools, or to automate your wealth, the most important thing is to get started. Statistically, it's shown that every year you miss out on the market is missed out potential income. And this missed out potential income can snowball the more years you wait on getting started on your investing journey. Don't let the news, the market, or whatever doubts your parents, friends, or family have hold you back from starting your investing journey today. If you find this video helpful, feel free to go down there and hit that like and subscribe button for me. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description below, the handle is the same, and drop a comment down below to tell me which brokerage app you want to use next. This is Zekenomics, and until next time.